So just a quick refresher on what was wrong with this. We bought this from Kohl's. We love it. It's a 17-inch, so it's going to fit in that compartment right over there on the Greyhawk. It fits on the bottom. The only problem is the door on that would not shut because this has a big handle that comes out further than the knob. So what I did to fix that, I ordered these tees, which I'll put in the link below, from Amazon. And these are actually metal or aluminum cabinet pulls. And you can see where the other one went in here. So what I'm going to do is use these that came with the Blackstone handle, and I'm going to mount those tees right to that, and they will only stick out as far, less than this for sure, maybe just right to here, and then we'll have handles that we can use and still get this bag closed and get it into the Greyhawk compartment there. This Twizzler box, it looks beat up and it looks old. I just want to say that when my father passed away, this came in his stuff, and it was in his garage, and it's where he put any screw, washer, nut, bolt, anything that he didn't know where it went. It pretty much went in this Twizzler box. I've kept it over the years, and we're going to see if Dad's going to help me out right now, because I need 2 small washers to keep that screw that fits that from going through. Oh my gosh. And my dad, who died many years ago, who passed many years ago, comes through in the clench. Let's see if they're going to be big enough to help. So there you have it. We have those 2 knobs on, and I think they look pretty good actually. They're out flush, as you can see, and they'll do just great for lifting that up. And more importantly, I can get my case shut and I can get it stored in this compartment here. So let's get it back in there and see if it works. So that's it. We're all done. We got the Blackstone back in there. The new handles are on it, and pretty excited. Now on to the next task, whatever that'll be in here. Dee's busy at work, so let's sneak the camera. Don't tell her we're coming, okay? Don't tell her. Land shark. What you doing?
Lining the shelves with shelf paper in the drawers. That's fun.
Something people don't do unless they buy it new or buy it used, right?
Yep.
So we're replacing.
Yes.
All right. We'll let you work.